get set up. Left side of the corner, get set up.
Harry, there, Harry. Harry, you go there. No more anymore. You go there.
Come on, up.
Harry,
Let's
you go
do
there.
this as quickly as you move into the middle.
Watch out, Mateo!
Had it.
Go for it, Enzo!
Well, hey, you weren't marking anybody, so please mark a player next time. Ahmed, I don't need to be spinning. Ahmed.
Adrian, get over here! You gotta move! Hey, you standing there with your hand up with 4 players around.
Yeah, face the ball, face the ball.
Come on!
Go, Ahmed! Go, Aiden! Who's marking
Coming
number
at the
7?
higher! Come on the circle, Sally! And I finish! Good job, come on, Ahmed! 5 seconds.
Ahmed, sub!
Good job, Sally!
Go, Ahmed. You're center forward. Dude, you're not doing anything. You're not working out. That ball came out, and you know what you were doing.
Go, Mateo! Play! Mateo! Play then. We shift it over. We can play Alex. We can play Christian. Play!
Henry, gotta get up.
Golazo, Mateo!
Get the ball, Henry. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Henry, after a goal, get it to the middle. Let's go.
Well done. Yes. Go. Drive. Head up. Drive and head up. Relax and play. Yes, relax and play. Thank you. One more. Thank you. Yeah. Play, boys. Go play.
Maddox, when we switch into you and you're done, take your space, okay? Somebody will open up when you take your space. Calling it and be tough and do the same thing, yes? Good. Throw your elbow in their back if she's not going to call it. Up! Henry, stay up. Everybody mark a player. Caetano, watch short. What's 11? 11!
Harry, leave it.
Mark Aiden! Mark your player! 77, Aiden!